Greg Jassy here from our CFO with another edition of Future Proof. This month we are going to spend some more time exploring the issue of cash flow, which is what we call the Canary Ratio at our CFO. And we're going to explore the key metrics that you need to be across and the strategies that you need to develop to ensure that your cash flow is positive and positive consistently so that you're able to have a sustainable business and a business that you're able to grow. So stay tuned over the next 30 days as we explore the Canary Ratio. Greg Jassy signing off with Future Proof.